Step 1. Power down and unplug the MacBook immediately to prevent short circuits. Step 2. Inspect ports and keyboard for moisture, corrosion, or sticky residue. Step 3. Open the hinge and let liquid drain naturally for a few minutes. Step 4. Gently dab surfaces with a lint-free cloth, never apply heat. Step 5. Remove the bottom case if confident, then inspect the logic board closely. If you find corrosion or residue, power off and consult a professional repair service. Step 6. If comfortable, disconnect the battery before any internal testing to stay safe. Perform continuity tests on ports and keyboard with a multimeter, noting anomalies. Boot into Apple Diagnostics and watch for error codes, fan noise, or display fault. Record each test with timestamp photos and concise on-screen captions for reference. Show before and after close-ups of ports and the logic board after cleaning. Back up your data, power down, and seek certified technicians for repair or replacement.